chance to test this siren at full bore power with no muffled stator. I'm taking this out to the country with my friend tomorrow. We're going to take a ride out past Morble up in the country areas to test this siren. I'm going to do a full speed run with this not muffled, let this run for about a minute and then turn it straight off. So be going like this, and then it'll be unmuffled and I'll be spinning it up to full ball speed, and then you run it at a higher speed, this siren. We gave a light test in the kitchen with this siren on the power converter. My power converter does have enough of amps to draw the power amps up to get this thing to run. General Electric Company. So tomorrow, say about 12 o'clock, this will be tested. I'm being out in the country because I don't want to do it in the city where with all these houses around plus the police. I wonder where the siren's coming from, because I've got the shower firing out in the distance. I wonder where the sirens come from. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video when I test this at full power.